how to draw a chair in 2-point perspective. Start by drawing a vertical line. This is the base for a chair. So then draw 2 dots on 2 ends of these divisions and then join them. The line that joins these 2 points are basically the horizon. This horizon has 2 points that are called as the vanishing points. Now draw lines that vanish to these vanishing points from both sides, right? Above the horizon and below the horizon. This helps establish a sense of perspective as we understand the depth that is going in the perspective, and also the visualization becomes easier. Then the next step will be to draw the 4 legs of the chair. Okay, so keeping in mind that the behind 2 legs will be bigger than the front 2 legs, and the next thing we have to understand is that the sitting portion of the chair will go into perspective. These lines will vanish to the perspective. So will the back of the chair. The area where you rest your back will also go in perspective. It is very essential to observe and understand that from the vertical line there will be 2 points going to 2 different vanishing points. If you make it wrong, it is possible that your perspective may go wrong. Therefore, you have to observe this video very carefully, see which line is going where. Now, considering the proportions here, we still notice that it is equal. It is not smaller, bigger, right? The lower portion is bigger than the upper portion. So, seeing the proportion of a chair, we understand that the upper portion is slightly bigger compared to the sitting area, right? Therefore, I am extending it. It was my mistake, but it helped me to explain you what perspective and proportion both play in hand to hand. So if you want to learn more about perspective, I have a bunch of videos on my YouTube channel which you can learn for your NID, NIFT, UCEED exams that are coming forth. Thank you for watching my videos. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you.